Volumetrics is the measurement of actual product being used per wash. The amount used per wash can be used to calculate cost per wash and the number of applications a container can deliver. This will help determine what size a container needs to be on site. Performing volumetrics on a regular basis can help pinpoint problems with chemical delivery systems. Examples would be clogged tips or pumps with worn check valves. If possible, take the manifold foot valve out of the existing chemical drum or tank and place it in the cylinder on the left. If that is not possible, remove the existing chemical line and replace it with a new chemical line and foot valve. If the line is empty, activate the test function to prime the line. If this is not done, chemical usage measurements will be much greater than actual. Next, fill both graduated cylinders up to the 250 milliliter mark with chemical. The reason 2 cylinders are needed is because the foot valve displaces volume within the cylinder on the left. Perform a test wash or activate the chemical test function for the time it is typically activated during a wash. The liquid level in the cylinder with the foot valve should be below 250 milliliters. Leave the manifold foot valve in the cylinder. Take the full cylinder and begin pouring into the cylinder that has the foot valve. Keep filling the cylinder until the liquid level reaches the original 250 milliliter mark. Read the chemical level in the cylinder without the foot valve. Subtract that from the 250 milliliters. The difference is the amount of chemical used. Make chemical adjustments as necessary if usage is too high or low.